Yo! I parried! I meant it! Yo! Free kill! Free kill! Hello? Oh my days! No! 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 I'm getting jumped. Drink. Thank you. Yo! I parried! I meant it! Bro, fuck all of you.
Do you want me to send that freaking video?
Come with me. What? Why you do that? Uh-oh. Ow. Bro, it's so dark I can't see this motherfucker.
Where are you?
There is, yeah.
What's this? Okay, there are 6.
I have like 5 on me.
Low-key, I'm gonna go.
Ah, no more road casting. Yo, FPS.
Yeah, see them. I mean, they're all ass anyways.
No, you're starting to jump me. No! Guys, where's the love? Where's the love at?
The love? Call strikers. Strikers, there's some random freaking Malay hater already pinged the game.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Please, 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 please. Fuck off! Wait, it's a 1v1. Wait, you're fucking dead. Mini. Ah!
How many people are on you?
Only 2. I managed to TP Bell away.
Where were you?
At Mini. No! Bro, what's this black S word movement, bro? No! No!
Oh yeah. Fun one. Really? Is it by the games?
Yeah.
Oh really? Oh my god.
Yeah, that's one dude.
Oh thanks bro. I'm done.
You know 1 and 4.
What?
Wait, how do you even get it? I don't know if I'm putting up.
Yes.
What? This guy's trying to assassinate me, bro. What are you doing? No, 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 no. I got one. I got him. I got him. No! Now they're killing me.
Where are you? Hey.
Mini. They're letting me run once, and now they're switching up.
Wait, deep shore.
You'll never catch me.
You can go to Ellie. Oh shit. He got a grip against like 6 people.
Oh no! They jumping me.
Oh, I see all of them
Mini.
down here.
I'll go for this guy. Now we going. You gripped him, nice. But we're getting grips in this. It's like 10v1, 10v3.
See the bush?
Over.
See the bush over here?
Over. Come in this. Come in the bush.
Wilbur,
I popped it. I popped it. I popped it. Stay in the bush.
Get in. They don't know it's a bell. Just put F.
Okay.
Yeah. Go. Yo.
Kill him. He's alone. He's alone.
Yeah, this might be the shred.
Yo, this guy. Jump him. Yo, what happened though?
Where you running? You running?
What happened though? What happened though? What happened though?
What's your eyes? What's he doing, dog?
What the?
Nice.
No! I'm back up. He's low. He's. How's he surviving that?
Oh, he jumped down and he got a. I'm in with you, bro.
Wait, so you see me on my call.
Yeah.
Top Friday.
It'll be nice he putting up to the island.
This guy's dead. I got him.
Aye.
He's getting saved. Grip. Okay, this guy doesn't auto grip. I guess. Where are you going though? He's dead. Rapping though.
You're dead.
Oh my days. Yo. Richie. He's not happy at all. Where you guys?
I'm coming.
Put a TP out. I just entered last.
I don't know where you are.
Just put it. I see. I need that.
I need everyone to be in the middle. You know the gate? Everyone come here.
I'm coming.
Oh, I see you guys.
Let you go.
No.
Alright, I'm going to put on TP.
Damn.
Die there.
When are you gonna put it down?
I'm putting it 3. Okay. Wait. Chronotize this.
Oh my god.
I put it down. Stay in the potion. We're safe. Get out. Okay.
I'm cool.
No, it's fine. There's only 3.
What do you get?
Oh my god! No.
Still down.
There's so many, bro.
I think it's time for us to.
Okay, let's get out of here.
I'm coming with dogs. There's like 2 of these guys over here.
Do you have a mobility in the water?
I mean, I got flame beat.
Okay, let's go in water. Flame leap and then like M1 shit. You're on us. Okay, I'm portaling to Etches. Get in. Wait, actually get out.
Okay.
Go in last second. Let's go. Die. Oh my. Yo, they're getting. Sarah! I got back on. Where are you? Let's TP.
Let's go, please.
I'm looking for a place. Temple for Gunner Plane. We're going back. Oh, actually, no, that's above Erizia.
We just let him go by himself.
Alright, get up. No. Did he die?
I'm alive.
Where are you?
Guys.
I'm the only one who got TP'd.
It's fine.